Welcome to our video today. I will tell you how to make money with JumpTask in 2025. First, sign up at JumpTask using Google, Apple, or a crypto wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Then directly connect your wallet. No complicated setup required. Start earning by completing micro tasks like surveys, watching videos, social media actions, clicking ads, testing apps, or playing games. Each task rewards you instantly in JMPT or JumpToken, which you can withdraw to your wallet or swap on PancakeSwap or other exchanges. For passive income, enable Honey Gain through JumpTask to share your unused bandwidth. In return, you earn JMPT with a bonus, though performance may depend on your region and connection. Level up your earnings further by staking JMPT tokens. Some pools offer daily returns ranging from 0.05 to 5 JMPT, making it a solid way to grow your balance hands-free. Don't forget to use referrals. Every friend who signs up with your link earns you passive bonuses, typically 10% of their earnings, and many newcomers get a sign-up bonus too. Just remember, payouts come into crypto, so market fluctuations and blockchain fees apply. Keep your wallet secure and monitor withdrawal costs. That's your roadmap to earnings with JumpTask in 2025. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful hustles like this.